The sound we are going to practice in this video, the sound ma. Repeat after me. Ma. 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 Ma in mixer. Again, mixer. Medley. Again, medley. Music. Again, music. Major. Again, major. Minor. Again, minor. Milky. Again, milky. Mustard. Again, mustard. Memory. Again, memory. Marian. Again, Marian. What other words have the initial sound ma? Idiomatic. Again, idiomatic. Illuminate. Again, illuminate. Hydrometer. Again, hydrometer. Grooming. Again, grooming. Grammar. Again, grammar. Estimate. Again, estimate. Dynamic. Again, dynamic. Camellia. Again, camellia. Camarinas. Again, camarinas. What other words have the middle sound ma? Groom. Again, groom. Gloom. Again, gloom. Belgium. Again, Belgium. Helium. Again, helium. Museum. Again, museum. Instagram. Again, Instagram. Program. Again, program. Medium. Again, medium. Freedom. Again, freedom. What other words have the final sound ma? Now let's practice phrases with the sound ma. Ready? A major thing. Again, a major thing. The medley song. Again, the medley song. And in the memory. Again, in the memory. At the museum. Again, at the museum. Now let's practice sentences with the sound ma. Ready? The medley music song was memorable. Again, the medley music song was memorable. Mary Ann put the mustard at the burger. Again, Mary Ann put the mustard at the burger. The major subject was really hard. Again, the major subject was really hard. The memory pictures are in the museum. Again, the memory pictures are in the museum. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound ma. Repeat after me. Ma. 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 I hope you enjoy our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.